Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online classes once again. In last video, I have taught you till here exercise 8b. Now today I will teach you exercise 8c, that is least common multiples, in short LCM of the numbers. Exercise 8c, LCM. The full form of LCM is least common multiples. I repeat, full form of LCM is least common multiples. Let's see example. Common multiple of 3 and 2. Common multiple of 3 and 2 is equal to 6, 12, 18 and so on. All these are the common multiples of 3 and 2. Now, among these numbers, which is the least common multiple of these two numbers? That is 6. 6 is the least common multiple of 3 and 2. Least means smallest. Smallest common multiple or least common multiple. One more example. Common multiples of 4 and 5, that is 20, 40, 60 and so on. Out of this number, what is the least common multiple? That is 20. That's why least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. There are two methods to find out LCM of given numbers. First, prime factor method and second, common division method. By these two methods, we will find out LCM of given numbers. Exercise 8C. Question number 1. Write the prime factors of each number and find the LCM. A. 36 and 63. I have told you how to find out factors of the given number. First of all, we will find out factors of each number in this method. We will write the given number to the right side and a number, smallest number which divide the given number, we will write left side, and after dividing quotient, we will write just below the number. 36 can be divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 8 ja 16. 18 can be divided by 2. 2 9 ja 18. That's why we will write 9 just below 18. And 9 can be divided by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Similarly 63. 63 can be divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. 3 7 ja 21 and 7 1 ja 7. Now write factors of each number. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Similarly 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. Now, what is prime factors of given number? We can see only 3 numbers are there. That is 2, 3 and 7. That's why prime factor of 36 and 63 is equal to 2, 3 and 7. Now, write LCM, means least common multiple. In this, we will write 2 maximum numbers of 2. That is, 2 is how many times? 2 times. That's why we will write 2 times. Similarly, how many times 3 is repeated? 2 times. That's why we will write 3 2 times. And 7, maximum number of 7 is how many times? That is 1 time. That's why we will write only 1 times 7 by putting multiple sign in between the numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 is equal to 252. And 252 is LCM of 36 and 63. Now B, 11 and 55. We will find out factor of each number. And we know that 11 can be divided by only 11. 11 1 ja 11. And 55 can be divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5. Again 11 divided by 11. 11 1 ja 11. What is factor of 11? 1 into 11. And factors of 55, 5 into 11. Now prime factor. What is prime factor of 11 and 55? That is 5 and 11. We will not write 1. Why? Because 1 is not prime number. Understood? Now LCM. Now we can see 5 is occurring only 1 time. That's why we will write only 1 5. And 11 is also occurring only 1 time. That's why we will write 11 only 1 time. 5 into 11 is equal to 55. And 55 is your LCM of 11 and 55. Next, D. 9, 36 and 45. Factor of 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Factor of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And factor of 45, 3 into 3 into 5. What is prime factor? We can see 2, 3 and 5 are the prime factor. Understood? Now LCM. 2 is occurring 2 times. That's why we will write here 2 into 2. And 3 is also occurring 2 times. 3 into 3 and 5 only 1 time. That's why we will write only 1 time 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 180. 180 is your answer. Next, E. Numbers are 12, 15, 18 and 36. In this way, we will find out factor of each number. Now, factor of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Factor of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Similarly, 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. And factor of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now, first of all, we will write prime factor. We can see which prime factor is here? 2, 3 and 5. Understood? Now, LCM. In this, only 1 time 2. There is no any 2. 1 time 2 and in 36, there are 2 times. That's why we will write 2 times 2. Similarly, 3 is occurring 2 times. We will write 3 2 times. And 5 only 1 time. We will write there 1 5. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36 and 36 5 ja 180. So 180 is your answer. Question number 2. Find the LCM of the following sets of numbers using division method. In this question, we will find out LCM of sets of number by using division method. A. Numbers are 22, 44 and 66. In this method, we will write all the numbers together by putting comma in between. 22, 44, 66. All numbers are even. And I have told you, we always start from smallest prime number. All numbers are even. That's why we will start by 2. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2. Comma. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 2 ja 4. Comma. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 3 ja 6. 11, 22 and 33. 11 can be divided by 11 only. 22 can be divided by 2 and 11. And 33 can be divided by 3 and 11. First of all, we will divide the given number by 2. Because 2 is the smallest prime number out of 2, 3 and 11. We will write 11 as it is. Because 11 cannot be divided by 2, comma, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2. And we will write 33 as it is because 33 is the number which cannot be divided by 2. In this, 33 is the number which can be divided by 3 and 11. So, we will write here 3 because out of 3 and 11, 3 is the smallest prime number. We will write 11 as it is because 11 cannot be divided by 3. Now 33 can be divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 1 ja 3. 11, 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11 and 11 1 ja 11. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 11 is equal to 132. It is your answer. The next is B. First of all, we will write all numbers together by placing comma in between the numbers. And we know that 12, 18 and 24 are the even number. That's why we will write here 2. And 9 cannot be divided by 2. That's why we will write 9 as it is. 2 6 are 12. 2 9 ja 18. And 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. Again we will write here 2 because of 6 and 12. We will write 9 as it is because 9 cannot be divided by 2. 2 3 ja 6. 9 we will write as it is and 2 6 are 12. And 2 6 are 12. Again we will write here 2 because of 6. And we will write 9 3 9 as it is because all these numbers cannot be divided by 2. And 2 3 ja 6. And we know that 9 3 can be divided by 3 only. 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Again we will write here 3. 3 1 ja 3, we will write 1 as it is. 3 1 ja 3 and 1. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 72. 72 is your answer. The next is C. First of all, we will write the given number like this. And I have told you, we always start with smallest prime number, that is 2. So, 2 4 ja 8, 2 20 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja 14. And we will write 135 as it is because 135 cannot be divided by 2. Again, 2 2 ja 4, 2 10 ja 20, 27, 135 we will write as it is because this 2 number cannot be divided by 2. Again, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 27, 135. 1, 5 we will write as it is because 5 cannot be divided by 3. 3 9 ja 27, 3 4 ja 12 and 3 5 ja 15. Again 1, 5, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. Again 1, 5, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. Now 5, 1 comma 5 1 ja 5, 1 and 5 1 ja 5. LCM is equal to 1 2 3. 2 is 3 times, that's why we will write 2 3 times, and 3 is also 3 times, and 1 time 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 1080. It is your answer. The next is D. We will write given number by putting comma in between. Because of 42 and 44 even number, we will divide by 2. 21 and 33 we will write as it is, because these two number cannot be divided by 2. And 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 2 ja 4. 21 comma 33 comma 21 we will write as it is, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. Now we will divide this number by 3. 3 7 ja 21, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 1 ja 3. 3 7 ja 21, and we will write 11 as it is, because it cannot be divided by 3. 7 1 ja 7, 11 we will write as it is. 7 1 ja 7, and we will write this 11 as it is. 1 comma 11 1 ja 11, 1 comma 11 1 ja 11. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 11 is equal to 924. It is your answer. Students, it is your homework. For today, only this much. Keep practice at home. Thank you.